Linux, compare directory structure without comparing files. What is the best and simplest way to compare two directory structures without actually comparing the data in files? This works fine. But it's really slow because it's comparing files too. Is there a switch for diff or another simple CLI tool to do this?
The following, if you substitute the first directory for directory 1 and the second for directory 2, should do what you're looking for and swiftly. The fundamental principle is that it prints out all of the directories including subdirectory paths relative to the base directory directories. This could fall down, produce weird output, if you have carriage returns in some of the directory names but not others.
We'll give you a nice side-by-side display of the two directory hierarchies with any common sections folded.
I usually use rsync for this task. Be very careful to always use the n, aka dry run, option, or it will synchronize, change the contents of, the directories. This will compare files based on file modification times and sizes. I think that's what you really want, or at least you don't mind if it does that. I got the sense that you just want it to happen faster, not that you need it to ignore the difference between file contents. If you do want it to not list differing files with identical names, I think the addition of the ignore existing option will do that. Also be aware that not putting a at the end of dir 1 will cause it to compare the directory dir 1 with the contents of dir 2. The output ends up being a bit verbose, but it will show you which files/directories differ. Files/directories present in dir 2 and not in dir 1 will be prefaced with the word deleting. For some situations, @slartybartfast's answer may be more appropriate, though you'll need to remove the type D option to enable the listing of non-directory files. Rsync will be faster if you've got a significant number of files/directories to compare.
Similar to the ls answer, but if you install tree then you can